Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your car's safety with a mirror dash cam that records crystal clear video, supports parking monitoring, and improves rear visibility, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best mirror dash cams of 2026, covering features, real-world performance, pros, cons, and a final verdict to help you choose the right one for your car. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. PORMIDO Triple 12-inch Mirror Dashcam, Triple Channel. The PORMIDO Triple Mirror Dashcam comes with 3-channel recording, including a detached front camera, inside cabin camera, and a waterproof rear camera. It features a 12-inch 1296p touchscreen, Sony Starvis sensor, GPS tracking, and parking assist. This dashcam is ideal for rideshare drivers, family cars, and fleet vehicles. The triple camera setup ensures complete coverage, while the Starvis night vision delivers excellent low-light footage. The touchscreen is smooth and responsive, making it easy to switch views while driving. Pros: 3-channel full coverage, excellent night vision, built-in GPS tracking, waterproof rear camera, large clear touchscreen. Cons: slightly bulky mirror size. Installation takes time. If you want maximum coverage and safety, this is one of the most complete mirror dashcams you can buy in 2026. Number 2. Rear view mirror camera, 4K front and 2.5K rear. This mirror dashcam features 4K front recording with Starvis 2 IMX678 and a 2.5K rear camera. It includes GPS, G-sensor, blind spot detection, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, an OBD hardwire kit, and 128 GB memory card. Video quality is the highlight here. The 4K front camera captures license plates clearly, even at high speeds. The system also offers advanced safety features like BSD, making it great for highway driving. Pros: ultra-sharp 4K front video, Starvis 2 sensors, fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, blind spot detection, large 128 GB card included. Cons: higher price range. App setup can be confusing. Perfect for users who prioritize video clarity and modern safety features. Number 3. PORMIDO OEM Rearview Mirror Camera, 11-inch. This OEM-style mirror dashcam features an 11-inch auto brightness touchscreen, 2K recording, built-in GPS, night vision, parking monitor, and comes with a 64 GB memory card. Designed to look factory installed, this model blends perfectly into your car's interior. The auto brightness feature is especially useful for night driving, adjusting the screen automatically to avoid glare. Pros: OEM factory style design, auto brightness mirror, built-in GPS, smooth touchscreen, easy installation. Cons: smaller screen than competitors, no cabin camera. A great choice if you want a clean, factory-look dashcam without flashy extras. Number 4. Pelsee 4K plus 2.5K Mirror Dashcam, P12 Pro Max. This Pelsee P12 Pro Max dashcam offers 4K front and 2.5K rear recording, Starvis 2 sensor, color night vision, ADAS, BSD, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, an OBD hardwire kit, and 128 GB memory card. This dashcam stands out with ADAS safety alerts, color night vision, and smooth performance. It's excellent for long-distance drivers and daily commuters who want extra driver assistance. Pros: color night vision, advanced ADAS and BSD, excellent video quality, fast Wi-Fi connection, large screen. Cons: ADAS alerts may need fine-tuning, slight learning curve. An excellent high-tech mirror dashcam for drivers who want smart safety features. Number 5. AZDOME PG17 12-inch 4K Mirror Dashcam. The AZDOME PG17 features 4K front and rear recording, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, GPS, night vision, parking assistance, voice control, and includes a 64 GB memory card. Voice control makes this dashcam very convenient while driving. Wi-Fi 6 ensures fast video downloads, and the 12-inch mirror provides a wide and clear rear view. Pros: voice control support, Wi-Fi 6 for faster transfers, sharp 4K video, GPS and parking assist, easy-to-use interface. Cons: voice commands not always perfect, no cabin camera. A solid choice for drivers who want modern convenience and speed. That's it for today's video on the top 5 best mirror dashcams of 2026. All the product links are available in the description below, so feel free to check them out for the latest prices and offers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.